Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a few cards that I made using an older set from the Greeting Farm. It's one of those big Anya sets that were really popular. I think maybe 3 or 4 years ago. I have a lot of the Greeting Farm stamps collection, and I usually just stamp them all, and then I put it in my binder book, and whenever I want to make something or color something, I just color from those that I have stamped. So I have these on hand, and I thought they would look really, really nice on birthday cards. So I'll start with this card. Oh, it's very shiny, so sorry about the glare. Yeah, this one I'm using Anya Celebrates. It looks like this. It's such an old set. I just realized this is from 2012. So that's 8 years ago, yeah. So it's still a rubber stamp, red rubber stamp. They don't produce these kind of stamps anymore at the Greeting Farm. Now they just do clear stamps. So yes, this is a 6x6 card, and it's a birthday card using Anya Celebrates, and then the papers are printed. This is from Echo Park. It's the birthday girl mini theme. What I did was I just resized it 50%, so it's 6x6. But the real birthday girl mini theme is actually just 12x12. But that's the beauty of, digital papers or elements. You can just resize it to whatever size you want, but I try to always stick with 6x6 or 12x12 so it looks as real as the real thing. So yeah, so what I did was I colored her in using a combination of my Copic markers and also my Finecolour markers, and then this frame right here is die cut using a die from my stash, and then I die cut this rectangle, and then I run it through my Cuttlebug embossing folder. This is a silver mirror card. I think it looks really nice and festive, just to kind of brighten things up, because the colors are pretty muted here. And It's Your Birthday, Make a Wish here is a sentiment from WPlus9. It's such an old sentiment, but I really love it. I still use it a lot to this day. So here's the detail. And then on the inside, it's just another one of those, the square stitch die that I got from the front here. I just put another one at the back because this cardstock is actually pretty flimsy for a card base. I don't think, it's good enough, but it's the only black cardstock that I have, and I wanted a black base. So there you go. Okay, that's my first one. And then the second one I have here is actually a 5x7 card. This is the first time I make a 5x7 card. I kind of like it. I love making big cards because I can actually put a lot of, embellishments, or just the placing for me is just very convenient, really, really nice. So I made this card. Like, the base of this is actually from a die from my stash. So you can see it's kind of like this raggedy edge die cut that frames the 5x7, and then yeah, I just go from there. The stamp set is again from the Greeting Farm, and this is the actually I got it mixed up. This one was Anya Celebrates. This one, but this one, I got it mixed up. Oh no. Yeah, this one is Anya Lifts, not Anya Celebrates. Anya Lifts. That's this one. And then this one is Anya Celebrates from 2012. So yeah, this one I use a digital paper as well. It's from Pink Paislee Birthday Bash. I love it. I really love the color, and the patterns are also really pretty. This is an older set, I think, the papers, but I've never used it before, and I thought like, oh yeah, let me just create a card using this. So as you can see, I colored her in using, again, a combination of my Copic colors and also my Finecolour markers. And then the For You here is a die cut from Fawn. Yeah, this is one of those sentiment stampless cards that I made, just pretty rare. And then on the center of the present here, I put a hard gemmy there because I wanted something to pop, obviously. And I absolutely love this size, but it's just yeah, sometimes the paper can be a little bit too big for a card, because the 12 by 12 pattern paper has bigger pattern, and sometimes, you know, like for instance, this side right here is just such a small narrow rectangle, and you can't really see the presence there, but you know it's a present pattern paper. Yeah, but I would love to try again. I have a few 5x7 die sets for the base and everything, so I really want to make some more 5x7 cards. So on the inside, it's just blank. The last one I want to share with you, still using Anya Celebrates, is this 6x6 card. I absolutely love this one. Well, the colors is just right up my alley. I really love it. And then I use this die from Suprise Creations over at AliExpress. I really love this die because it has those kind of lines. It just makes a really nice accent to a card. And then I use this oval die from my stash that has some sort of like a deboss to it, deboss line, and then I just line the inner part of that oval with my gemmies. So I have a strip of purple gemmies, and I just, you know, kind of adhere it that way. And again, on the center of the present here, I have a clear gemmy. And then the sentiment here, may all of your wishes come true. This is from My Favorite Things. And the papers are digital. It's from Echo Park. And I think it's called Happy Birthday Girl. That's the set. So I use both the Happy Birthday Girl paper pack 1 and 2 for this. I just love it. It's so festive. It's so cute and girly. On the inside, I just left it plain. Yeah. Again, I think I need a sturdier cardstock for this. It's okay, but I think, yeah, I think for a card base, I would need a thicker, more sturdier cardstock. So there you go, everyone. These are the cards I'm sharing with you today. Hopefully you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.